जो कि 150 क्वेश्चन है टोटल। नो टैक्सेशन विदाउट रिप्रेजेंटेशन, ये कहाँ पर बोला गया था? दैट वाज नो टैक्सेशन विदाउट द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ना। तो ये है 19 का एग्ज़ाम डेट है इसकी 19। नो टैक्सेशन विदाउट रिप्रेजेंटेशन, ये था अमेरिका का। विच ऑफ द रिस्पॉन्सिबल डिपार्टमेंट फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द बजट, तो ये है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिकल अफेयर। अंडर द आर्टिकल कंसर्न प्रेजेंट इंडिया प्लेस रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ द फाइनेंस कमीशन, ये है 281 में, ठीक है। नाउ फोर्थ का आंसर जो है 4 है, वुड्रो विल्सन इंट्रोडक्शन टू द स्टडी, ये इसने नहीं दिया था। ये किसका था? आई थिंक इंट्रोडक्शन टू वाल्डो या एल्डिवाइट का है शायद। विच द फॉलोइंग कमीशन कमेटी रिकमेंड सेटिंग ऑफ द लोकपाल, कौन सी कमेटी थी? फर्स्ट ARC, ठीक है। और इसके बाद में क्या है? कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग न्यू पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मिनरल बुक कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, दैट वाज फर्स्ट ARC हो गया, फर्स्ट मिनरल बुक। फिर ईच मिनरल बुक ऑर्गेनाइज इंटरवल ऑफ 12 ईयर, थर्ड मिनरल बुक रोज मिलरी एंड द सेकेंड कॉन्फ्रेंस फोकस्ड ऑन द सोशल इक्विटी मार्केट इकोनॉमी। द अमंगेस्ट द फर्स्ट फॉरमोस्ट स्कॉलर ऑफ क्लासिकल थ्योरी के स्कॉलर कौन थे? दैट वाज द गुली कुर्बिक एंड फियोल मोने। द एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ द बजट के बारे में बताना था। सबसे पहले ऑडिट होती है, उसके बाद में कस्टडी कलेक्शन, देन उसके बाद डिसबर्समेंट, देन अकाउंटिंग और लास्ट में ई है ऑडिटिंग। लास्ट है फर्स्ट है कलेक्शन ऑफ फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 जो है दैट वाज कंपोनेंट ऑफ न्यू पब्लिक मैनेजमेंट, एफिशिएंसी, कॉन्ट्रेक्चुअलाइजेशन, इफेक्टिवनेस एंड डाउनसाइजिंग। पेज द फॉलोइंग नॉट करेक्टेड मेंटल डेवलपमेंट के बारे में नहीं है, दैट वाज फीलिंग हर्डल्स, हर्डल नहीं होता, ठीक है। कंसीडर फॉलोइंग द कंपैरेटिव एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ग्रुप के बारे में 11th का आ जाएगा डी। इट इज़ 1968 में आया था ये ग्रुप, ठीक है। फोर्ड फाउंडेशन 1960 से 77 ईयर तक रहा। चेयरमैन कौन? रिक्स और हेल्ड इन द USA प्रिंसटन। विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग गिवन द फेवर ऑफ ऑप्शन ऑफ लिबरलाइजेशन इन द इंडिया, दैट वाज ऑल प्रिवेंट द वेस्टेज, इम्प्रूव द एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड मोस्ट सिंपल वे ऑफ द फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट। विच फॉलोइंग फैक्ट एम्फेसिस मोस्ट बिहेवियरल अप्रोच जो थी दैट वाज ह्यूमन एलिमेंट, ठीक है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है। Which the following is the maximum output in place of restricted output, किसने कहा था? टेलर ने। डेवलप ई गवर्नेंस किसने डेवलप किया था? दैट वाज 3। 11th रिपोर्ट के अंदर ई गवर्नेंस को रखा गया है। कौन सी रिपोर्ट है? 11th। द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन क्वेश्चन आर नॉट पॉलिटिकल क्वेश्चन, किसने कहा था? दैट वाज द वुड्रो विल्सन। इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ कंपेरिजन वाज आइडेंटिफाइड बाय, दैट वाज आइडेंटिफाइड बाय द डेहल। द लाल बहादुर शास्त्री अकेडमी, ये किसके अंडर में है? दैट वाज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पर्सनल। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री लबासना, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पर्सनल, ठीक है। इफ और सिविलाइजेशन फेल्ड ऑन हिम, विदाउट कम्युनिकेशन देयर कैन बी नो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, द प्रोसेस कम्युनिकेशन टेक प्लेस अपवर्ड डाउनवर्ड लेटरली। सो दोनों ही सही हैं बट एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहे हैं। विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग नॉट ए फीचर ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दैट वाज इट एम्प्लॉयज आर रिक्रूटेड बाय इट्स ओन सिस्टम, दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू। विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग थिंकर आर डिलीगेशन इज मर मिथ, सो ये किसने बोला था? मेरी पकअप फॉलेट। अंडर राइट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन इन द इवेंट ऑफ द नॉन सप्लाई इन्फॉर्मेशन बाय द पब्लिक ऑफिसर, फर्स्ट अपील इज अराउंड 30 days। वो रोड द बुक पब्लिक पॉलिसी री एग्जामिंड, दैट वाज ड्रोड की थी, पब्लिक पॉलिसी री एग्जामिंड। प्रोसीजर इम्पीचमेंट आर्टिकल 61। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर्म ऑफ एवरी ह्यूमन एसोसिएशन फॉर द अटेनमेंट ऑफ कॉमन पर्पस 26 that was Monet and Rayleigh. Which is the following not a unit of local government? 27 prefect is not. Which is the following scholar of public administration has advocated political neutrality? So that was the Woodrow Wilson. Which of the following correct about Kothari Committee 29 is 2. This committee constituted 1976, that is not it, 1974. नीति आयोग कब established? 1 जनवरी 2015। Every decision are consist of the logical combination of fact and value, किसने बोला था? साइमन। पोल अटेंशन मोशन क्या है? सो 32 इज 1, दैट इज आर लेजिस्लेटिव कंट्रोल। मिस्टर वन्ना असाइन करती है इंटू द हेट्रोजीनियस ग्रुप 4 टू वर्क द कोऑपरेटिवली ऑफ द सोशल साइंस प्रोजेक्ट। सो दिस इज अबाउट शी डिड नॉट इंक्लूड एनी इंडिविजुअल अकाउंटेबिलिटी, सो दिस इज मिस्टेक हुई इसकी, ठीक है। विच द फॉलोइंग नॉट करेक्टली मैच बताना था। इरा ऑफ चैलेंजेस दैट वाज नॉट इन 1971, इट इज 49 के आसपास, 45। विच इज इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोवाइड्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ग्राम सभा, सो 36 इज 1B। and 37 is 3. The ethics is from despair to hope. Okay, this is mismatch actually. For the first time, civil service day was 38 was 3, that was 21 April 2006. The concept of informal organization 39 is 3, that was Alton Mayo. Which is the following is the authority is primarily supposed to exercise supervision control of the tehsil. 40 is 3, subdivisional officer. 41 is what? For the first time the Panchayati Raj Divas. 41 is for 2010. The term state company. 42 is 1, that is the हैंसन ने कंपनी के बारे में बताया था, ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट कंपनी. Which is the following not the correctly matched. So 43 is 3, theory Z जो थी Y drawer, that is not true. In whose period of tenure system to Karjan with public admin foundation are those deep and permanent principle of politics, that was the Woodrow Wilson. वेबर की जो ब्यूरोक्रेसी है that was the sociological phenomena है, ठीक है. Who's the following is advocated need for psychological test, that was the A.D. Gurwala. Who's the following not a objective of the administrative reform, that was to establish inertia of the admin system. Which is not a department of Ministry of Home. 49 is 1, Department of Personnel and Training. Which is following not internal type of the constraint of the decision making, that was national international legislation. By public admin mean common usage of the activities, that was given by the Simon. 74 constitutional amendment was provide the subjects, so that was 12 schedule. The Kingdom of United Kingdom Parliamentary Commissioner, that was 67. Which is following not a new factor affecting the span of control, that was technique. Which is the following is highest administrative court, that was Droit administration tha. And that was a Council of State. Council of State was in the France also. Okay, Council of the State. You need to know about this. Now 56 is what? That was structural functional is Frank Marini. That is wrong. Identify the public policy formulation. That was the first is identify करेंगे, then putting the problems, then formulating the policy and making the policy decisions will be last. Which is not a correct measure successful extension of public policy. 58 is 2, non-participation of affected interest, that is people have desire to respect recognition from the society. 59 is 3, esteem. Which is the following not a primary factor determining grouping under Gestalt, that was a 3, that was genetics is not. Consider the following about the TRI. So 61 is 2. TRI was established 99, that is not true. Which is the first enact right to service act. So 62 is 2, Madhya Pradesh. Who is the following not a former chief election of the India. 63 is 4, Pradeep Chawla. Which is the following theory believe that people are passive apathetic. 64 is 2, that is allied theory. Human relation theory related to. 65 is 2, that was informal. Which is not executive means of the control. 66 is 1, that was enactment of the policy, that is not the executive means of the control. Which is the CPA is not identified by the RIC. 67 is 2, from the middle range of the theory, that is not. Which the following is the included input subsystem. 68, that was 2, the curriculum is the input subsystem education. Program leading praised principle, that was 69 is 4, that was operational conditioning theory. Which is not correct regarding development administration, so its goal are efficiency and economy, that is not. Which is following statement that delegations are correct. 71 is 1, that was the delegation is a downward, upward, and delegation also plays horizontally and the sideward. Which is not a principle of the development. 72 is 2, development is no direction, that is not. Which is the Hubbard Simon and discrimination process. 73 is 1, behavioral approach. Which is following not the main thought concept of the Tolman. 74 is 3, that was the Veblen and non-verbal learning. 75 that was the 3. Administrative behavior, Simon. General industrial, that was the management and the worker was the Roethlisberger, and the organization and the management, that was the Chester Bernard. Consider the following UK and the select. 76 was 2. So the retirement is 70 years, that is not true about the UK के अंदर, ठीक है. Consider following techniques of the coordination. So 77 is 2, and absence of direction, that is not true. The educational psychology 78 पील ने बताई थी. Which is the following article Indian Constitution ने High Court to issue the writ, तो 226 was among the thinker of ecological approach, so 80 was 2, that was 6, and 81 that was India 10 जनपद हैं क्या, नहीं है इंडिया में 10 जनपद, ठीक है. Now which is the following is maxim teaching does not apply to the step of vertex of the bottom, so 82 is 4, that was from particular to general. The among the towards a new public Minro book perspective Frank Marini, which is the provides person can be appointed governor of 2 or more, 7th amendment था ये, ठीक है. And now which is the following is embedded the postcode में embedded 85, that was 2, that was coordination, acronym is important. And which is the feature of the company का जो feature है, so 86 is 4, and it is मतलब कंपनी एक्ट 51% शेयर होता है, गवर्नमेंट का प्रोविजन कंपनी एक्ट होता है, और रिक्रूटमेंट बाय द कंपनी इटसेल्फ. 74 and 75 अमेंडमेंट डेवलपमेंट वर्किंग बिग सिटी आर आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड अबव अमेंडमेंट, दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. विच इज फॉलोइंग नॉट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द हायरार्की, इट इज प्रोवाइड द फास्ट एक्शन, दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. एंड लखीना मॉडल, ओके, लखीना 89, that was improvement of district administration. Consider propounder of contingency model, that was the Fred Fiedler, जो थे वो थे contingency model के, ठीक है. 91 का आंसर क्या है, that was article of the following is the chief minister appointed by, so 91 is 2, 164 1. Software technology 92 का 2, that is constant evaluation. 93 that was a Chris Hargis idea organization of the health, that is not provided by this. Which is the not correctly image बताना था, so 94 का 2, governor of the USA 5 year, that is not true, it is 4 year, you know about this. Which is the following public sector enterprises not Maharatna, 95 का 2, oil India, department of public enterprise work which of the following ministry, 96 2, finance, national judicial council under the chairmanship of 97 is 3, that was the second ARC. LCM 2 weeks gap जो होता है, that is the example related to that was the law of exercise. Who is among the following chairman of the 6th state finance commission, that was the Pradyuman Singh. Consider the following central administration and state administration. Second ARC citizen centric administration, that was 2. Sound legal framework, robust institutional mechanism making vibrant and quality of the governance. The book Ecology of the Public Administration, that was the Ricks. The one of the following not a character mental healthy person, that was the moodiness. The advantage of the specialization of the technique, that was functional foremanship. Who is the following system organizational analysis, that was Chester Bernard. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का एनालिसिस करने वाला सिस्टम है बर्नार्ड का. Who has a zone of indifference, that was Bernard. NIEPA should be the established, so 106, that was 3, the 10th report. The concept of the attainment model which was syntax student comparative positive negative example, that was the presentation of the data identification. In which of the India text should be the good governance can be traced, so that was the all श्रीमद् भागवत गीता मनुस्क्रिप्ट हो गया. चाणक्य. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग नॉट ए स्टाफ एजेंसी, 1091 मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस. इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सेक्रेटरीट ट्रेनिंग मैनेजमेंट कहाँ पर है, सो दैट वाज इन दिल्ली. द फैक्टर दैट अफेक्ट लर्नर एंड द लर्निंग प्रोसेस, 111, दैट वाज द लर्निंग सिचुएशंस. एंड 112, ओके, सो दैट वाज अबाउट सेंडर, एनकोडिंग, मीडियम, डिकोडिंग एंड रिसीवर. 113 in which of the World Bank the good government become an important word, that was 113 का 1, that was government of development. 114 that was 1. सबसे पहले वाइट ने दिया था स्टाफ, विलोबी ने दिया था इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ हाउस कीपिंग, एंड प्रिफनर ने दिया था टेक्निकल जनरल स्टाफ, एंड जॉन गोस का था एक्सिलरी स्टाफ एंड टेक्निकल स्टाफ. ठीक है, सो 114 का आंसर 1 है, जिसमें एल डी वाइट ने स्टाफ एंड ऑक्सिलरी और विलोबी जो थे इन्होंने कहा था इंस्टीट्यूशनल एंड द हाउस कीपिंग. पिफनर ने कहा था जनरल एंड टेक्निकल, एंड जॉन गोस ने ऑक्सिलरी एंड टेक्निकल. न्यू पब्लिक मैनेजमेंट मेनली आइडेंटिफाइड बाय द 3 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फीचर, तो वो कौन से हैं? स्ट्रेंथनिंग द पब्लिक एंटरप्राइजेस. वी आर लिविंग एज ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैन, ये किसने बोला था? डेट वॉज WH वाइट ने बोला था. Which is the following not a part of local government of USA? 117 is parish plan. Who's the following neither public and not science nor it can be become the science? 118 एक वाल्डो ने कहा था. And how many municipal corporations are there? 119, that was 10 total. Responsibility of the conducting election of municipal institution vested in 120, that was 2. ZA approach aim to establish body of knowledge that facilitate understanding and prediction of the human behavior. So that was the behavioral approach. Consider the following Nagar Panchayat 122, that was 4. 74 amendment Nagar established for the transitional area. It was for the under the state enactment, and Rajasthan has not adopted this system, which is not a characteristic of the emotions. 123, that was 3. Emotions are permanent, that is not true. 124, that was 2. That was simulation instruction is representation of the red life event. Who among the following written the famous book of Reinventing Government? Osborne and Gabler. Whose birthday is celebrated for the Good Governance Day? 126, that was the 2. Birthday of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The post divisional commissioner 127 is 387. Which is following is the relating emergence of development new public administration? 128 was 2. First is Hyderabad, then will be the Philadelphia, then Mindrobuk, and towards the public administration. The scope of the study of comparative administration, that was all meso micro. Interaction between individual and the environment 130, that was 1. That was a Braun-Furtwängler ecological theory, and that was the interaction. In which of the following is the tenure system? That was 131, and it was 2 2000 में आ गया था. ठीक है, 5 year के लिए. The recommendation of oath and secrecy of the minister, that was the second ARC first report. Which is the following study interaction admission system in environment? That was 2. Ecological approach. Which is hygiene factor is not a hygiene factor? 134 is 3. Achievement and recognition is not an hygiene. Who is the following has given classification of guardian caste? Marks ने out of all reports submitted second ARC. Ethics of fourth report थी ये. Which of the following article concern India create the basis for imposition of rule? प्रेसिडेंट का रूल इम्पोजिशन करना. तो ये 365 है 137 में. ठीक है, सोशल साइंसेस के बारे में बताना था, तो ये है पॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिक, सोशल एंड लॉ सारे आएंगे. वो स्टेटेड द बुक इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस 139 is 3. द डेनियल गोल्डमैन. फाइंडिंग द सॉल्यूशन जनरल स्पेशलिस्ट 140, दैट वाज 2. द फर्स्ट ARC. The research is papers are which not officially accepted 141, that was 3. Public administration essay in the Minro book. Which one of the following is the maintain attention make the organization for syntax? 142, that was the 3. Presenting the task and material. Which is not wing for the cabinet secretariat? That was 2. Intelligence. Wing is not there. Which is the following is control is non? 144, that was 3. Span of attention Gracunas. Following called the communication the heart. Heart किसने कहा था कम्युनिकेशन को? तो ये कहा था पिफनर ने. पिफनर ने इसको क्या कहा था? हार्ट कहा था. कम्युनिकेशन को हार्ट किसने कहा था? पिफनर ने. 146 वो अमंग द फॉलोइंग कॉल द कम्युनिकेशन हार्ट? पिफनर. नंबर ऑफ मिनिस्ट्री इंक्लूडिंग 15%, दैट वाज 91 अमेंडमेंट में कहा गया था. एंड सेवोतम मॉडल 147, दैट वाज पब्लिक सर्विस. परफॉर्मेंस बजट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड 148, दैट वाज फर्स्ट ARC. which is separation of power is basic feature. So 149 is the USA. Who among the following made distinction between public and private? So that was the Appleby. ठीक है. So this is 150 question.